Hey everybody, Scorpion here. So that was a video taken by a private citizen of the tornado that just happened in my county. So I want to get back to, this is the reason that everybody calls it prep, or that you prepare for things to happen. So the hurricane that hit Florida, in the Gulf there, kind of like the Panhandle, come all the way up, was not even a tropical storm when it got to us, because I'm up here in Virginia, and it split. Some went Virginia way, some went, Tennessee, stuff like that. And if y'all have been watching the news, you'll see, you've seen that it wreaked a whole lot of havoc across the eastern seaboard altogether. So when you think about hurricanes, a lot of people are like, oh, well, I don't have to worry about it because I don't live on the coast. Well, you still have to worry about it. I can remember years ago one hit the East Coast. It was still a tropical storm when it hit us. I was like elementary school, maybe middle school, something like that. But it definitely, it was a bad storm when it come across us. Even though you might be states away, you could still have effects from this, from a hurricane, and it can be devastating. So I know that video was not very good. You can probably search around on Facebook and find the original person that did it. But that was just a little short clip of the tornado that went through. I'm going to show some pictures of devastation. And after I arrived there, after the original tornado happened, I've got another video that actually shows the clouds rotating and trying to create another tornado. But these cells that hurricanes throw off go a long ways, and they love to spawn tornadoes, and you just have to be prepared for that. You have to make sure you have, a plan in effect, a place to shelter if it happens. What's going to happen if you're without power? I mean, just look up how many millions of people are without power right now from that hurricane across the East Coast and stuff like that. So I'm sure y'all can look that stuff up on your own. I don't need to show it to you. Y'all have access to the internet, of course, if you're watching me now. But this is just some of the devastation that happened. And as I said, the hurricane hit the coast in Florida. I live in Virginia, and here's what happened. So it's not only the hurricane, but or the winds from the hurricane, but you got to worry about the rainfall, which is what Tennessee's having an issue with. They're underwater, and you got to worry about it spawning tornadoes and stuff like that. So don't think because you don't live on the coast that you're safe. But again, this is some of the devastation and stuff that I saw. There's 2 different roads that it crossed. It's only on the ground about 7 miles. Took out a few houses. Nobody was injured or seriously injured. One person went to the hospital, but nobody was seriously injured that I know of. And I just wanted to share this with y'all. If you figure if it took down the power grid, if something like that, are you prepared to provide for your family for months until they get that power grid back up and to everybody? So y'all stick around, and here it is.